And today we're going to be talking about the HOWEASY Portable Power Station. That's right, this is a little power station that you can take camping on picnics. We're using it out by our pool today. As you can see, the kids are over there chilling with some popsicles. And this is allowing me to have my fan over here, charge my phone, and I have room to do more things as well. So let's go ahead, come in. We're going to take a closer look at it and see exactly what you're going to get. All right, so with the power station, you can see you get a charge cord. This is going to hook up to your DC input. And yes, you can also use a solar panel array to recharge this as well if you're out camping or hiking or in an area where you don't have electricity. You also have the car charger. This would plug into your car's 12-volt supply, and then you would just plug this into the input as well. If you need to power stuff with a plug like this, whenever you're out and about, you can always use this little adapter right here. This just plugs into DC 1, 2, or 3, and you can plug your 12-volt plugs into here. You do have two outputs. This can handle 250 watts. I'm running this 150-watt fan off of it with no problems whatsoever. We will turn that on in a second. The wind noise just kills the camera. But on top of that, you also have a Type-C output right here. You have the 5-volt 2.4 amp USB right here, and then you have the USB 3.0 for quick charge here as well. Here's your power button. You hold it down to turn it on, and you can see that we're charged at 94%. It's got this nice LED display. You can also turn on the light in the back. It does have a camping light or a flashlight built on the back. If you want to turn on the AC for the fan, you just hit that button. All right. So the inverter just kicked on. You can see we're drawing over 100 watts. So here's your output. And you can see and hear the fan is running, no issues. So let's turn that back off for a second. If you notice right now, this phone is not charging. So turn that on. It's going to activate your DC output right here. And now my phone has the charge symbol. And if we spin it around and look at the back, oh, I still got the light on. Don't matter. You can look on the bottom and it says that AC output is 110 volts at 260 watts. You can go for your DC input at 19 volts at 2.5 amps. It uses a pure sine wave inverter. For solar charging, you can go from 18 to 24 volts. And the DC output is 5 volts at 2.4 amps, the quick charge at 3. The Type-C puts out 30 watts, and the DC is 12 to 15 volts with a 15 amp max. So as you can see, a super useful portable power station. As I said, great for camping. You can charge it in the car, way to camping or in between campsites. You can solar charge it if you need to. It's easy to carry. It would fit in a backpack. And overall, just a nice little power inverter. I hope this video helps, and thanks for watching.